In this video, I'm going to show you how we can check memory information in CentOS Linux. So first of all, go to application and choose accessories and open the terminal. And in my previous video, I have shown how to check CPU usage and all and its related commands like meminfo or other commands are based on the proc directory. So we will navigate to the proc directory. Then you can list the files. So here you can see the meminfo command. So proc directory is a virtual directory. It doesn't it doesn't include any space on your hard drive. And you can see this is a file and this is a directory. And we will use the cat command to view the content. So here the memory is 2 GB in my case, and memory free is this 1.5 GB. And here you can see the swap memory. Swap memory is always the double of your RAM. When I install this CentOS machine, I have given 1 GB, and the swap is always the double. So it has given the 2 GB. So in this way, you can check the memory info in CentOS Linux. Thanks for watching.